everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make my yummy home-baked pizza. Mwah! Mamma mia! Quick tip before you start cooking, always wash your hands before cooking. Also because you don't want to get germs. We're going to need our pizza dough, basil, Italian seasoning, 3 cheese, mozzarella, and tomato sauce. Let's get cooking! Now it's time to assemble the pizza! First, the tomato sauce. We're done covering the dough with the sauce. Now it's time to put the cheese. Smile on the camera. Cheese! Okay, thank you, honey. What I'm putting is free cheese. Yeah. Now I'm going to put the mozzarella. This is my masterpiece. Okay guys, don't forget our Italian seasoning and the basil. Okay guys, now it's time to put it in the oven. Quick reminder first, the oven is hot, so make sure you have an adult with you. I'm so excited! While waiting for the pizza, fun fact, did you know that the sun is 27 million degrees Fahrenheit? That's actually hotter than the oven. Desert. Anything that you can think of that is hot. It's true. It's moving. It's alive. Look at our masterpiece. Isn't it so yummy? It's so cheesy. It's so saucy. It's so dazzling. I'm really excited about the taste test part. Hey guys, are you ready for the taste test? Let's dig in. Gooey. cheesy and saucy. And what I said from the pizza is basically the basil doesn't taste like anything at all. How many bites for you? How many bites for those? Hey guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next week for another awesome video. Bye! So guys, I cannot stop eating this pizza. I'm gonna eat this one. Bye! I'm covering the tomato sauce with the dough. What? Like that. Did you know that the sun is 27 million degrees hot? Fahrenheit ba yun?